Hi friends, let me show you this mini light that I received for reviewing purposes. It is aimed to use it in firearms, basically pistols or guns. It's an 800 lumens light, so it will be really bright and it will give a lot of light towards where the firearm is aiming, right? Okay, first I want to tell you, you get this basic unit. You get a USB-C cable because you charge this light here. There's a USB-C port where you charge it, okay? Then you have different accessories so you can adapt the light to every specific firearm, okay? You can find the whole list of firearms in the Amazon publication, of course, okay? And you get the special screws that you need to install it, and also these special accessories to install the screws, okay? So you also get the user manual with all the instructions to install it and how to use it, okay? It's easy to install it because you have this swing arm. You just open it and it will open here. And when you put it in the base of the firearm, you just close it and it will clamp it like this so it won't move, okay? Here is the kind of accessory that you have to change if you use different guns, different brands. You change this one so it will fit perfectly depending on which brand you're using, okay? So you just close this arm and it will attach perfectly to the gun. So, and you turn it on and off in these little ears in the back. You just click it, it's on, and click it off. So you can do it even with only one side, okay? Either side, if you are aiming your gun like this, you can turn it on with your fingers, okay? So, well, it's a small accessory if you do use firearms for a sport, to hunt. If you need a light, this is a very, very good option. Thank you.